Retinol, it's the holy grail of anti-aging. But if you've got sensitive skin, it can feel like an impossible dream, right? Redness, peeling, irritation, yikes. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use retinol the right way for sensitive skin so you get all the glow with none of the drama. Retinol is a powerhouse ingredient that boosts collagen, smooths fine lines, and clears up uneven texture. But it can be intense, especially for sensitive skin. So, how do you get the benefits without the irritation? Let's break it down. First up, start low and go slow. Look for a retinol serum or cream that's specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Some great beginner-friendly options include retinol with soothing ingredients like niacinamide or ceramide, encapsulated retinol, which releases slowly to be gentler on the skin. A low concentration around 0.1% to 0.3% is perfect for beginners. Here's the trick. Moisturizer is your best friend. If you have sensitive skin, try the sandwich method. Apply a layer of moisturizer first, then a pea-sized amount of retinol, and finish with another layer of moisturizer. This helps buffer the skin and reduces irritation. Patience is key. Start using retinol just once a week at night, then slowly increase to 2 to 3 times a week as your skin adjusts. And don't forget, always follow up with SPF in the morning. You might notice a little dryness or flaking at first, but that's normal. Just keep hydrating and avoid these common mistakes. Using too much stick to a pea-sized amount. Mixing with strong actives like AHA's and Boss on the same night. Skipping sunscreen. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. With the right approach, even sensitive skin can love retinol. So tell me in the comments, have you tried retinol before? Let's chat. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more skincare tips. See you next time. End screen with subscribe button and related videos.